Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create another TikTok account if you have already a TikTok account. This is very simple actually. First thing you need to do is you have to go to the TikTok application, then tap on your profile button. Now tap on the three dot button from the top right corner, then you can see a settings and privacy button. Now you can see a settings and privacy button at the bottom part. Tap on it, scroll down to the bottom, you can see a logout button, tap on it. Now you have to tap on the logout option. Okay, right now you can see that I have logged out from my account. Now you can see that I have logged out from my account. Now you can see a button sign up, tap on it and you can easily sign up with phone, email, Facebook or Gmail account. You can also tap on, so the easiest way is you can continue with Google account. So I'm gonna use the email here or a phone number, and this is very easy. You have to tap on the phone number and you have to put all the information like password or new password or username, and that's it. That's how easily you can create a new TikTok account on 2023. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.